crazy. Hey y'all, I am trying to lay this wig. Okay, I got this wig from Amazon. I guess it's like deep wave curly wig. I got this from Amazon, and I'm going to try to apply it like how the girlies be applying their wigs online, like melting the stocking cap and all that extra stuff. The reason why I want to do it that way is because, I don't know if y'all can see this line. Y'all see that line right there? That line, I had got that when I was in Cabo, right? And literally, when I say that line was literally black and blue from the stocking cap being so tight on my head. Like, I went to Cabo, I want to say 2 weeks ago, and the line is still there. When I tell you my head was like on fire, like it hurt so bad, like it was pressing in my skin. So I'm like, you know what, honey, I'm not just gonna leave the stocking cap there. I'm gonna like melt the stocking cap and all the extra stuff that all the girlies be doing. So I'm gonna try to do that today. It'll be my first time actually doing that. I don't know what I'm doing, but you know, everything's trial and error. Sorry about that noise. That's like the pipes and stuff. But I want to look up a video real quick to see how the girls be putting on these stocking caps, melting the stocking caps, and all that good stuff, because I don't know what I'm doing. I ain't never did this yet. And if y'all got some tips and stuff like that, for it being my first time, please comment below and let me know, okay? Let me see. I'm trying to think. What should I Google? How to apply lace wig? How to apply lace wig for beginner. The only thing is I don't have, you see that glue that they using? I don't have that like bond glue. So I'm going to use the, because I have this. I'm going to use the Eben Wonder Lace spray. That usually, this holds like really well. So I'm going to use that and see if it'll like do the same thing that this glue that everybody's using has. You know what I'm trying to say. But let me get my blow dryer out. So I got these wigs. Don't mind my son, he in there playing the game. I got this wig cap right here. If anything, I'm just going to put like eyeshadow on the lace or the split where it's at to kind of make it blend in. Alright, so in the video, they take the stocking cap and they take the stocking cap. My hair is already flat. Hopefully, I'm trying to think, should I part my hair in the middle? I'm just gonna leave it like this. It don't even matter. Alright, so in the video, I don't know if y'all can hear that noise, but that's my washing machine downstairs going dum 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 dum. Like, that shit is like jumping from place to place. But okay, so in the video, they do this, right? I look crazy. But then they, hold on, let me go back. They do that. And then they cut the ears. I gotta bring this down. I got these long ass nails. Alright, they cut the ears. Like that. Right? They cut the ears like that. Okay, to the other side. Oh, sugar. Right? They cut the ears like that. They have that glue thing, but I'm gonna just use, hopefully, my edges is back. I ain't trying to lose no edges, honey, okay? I'm gonna use this Eben spray, Wonder Spray, and I'm just gonna just do this because, and then I'm going to, oh, hold on, let me get over here. A little bit more. Maybe I should cut this a little bit more, y'all. This is not laying down. Cut this a little bit more. Ugh. I ain't trying to cut my ears off now. Okay, we'll do that. Cut that a little bit more. Alright, now that's kind of like glued down, right? Now I'm gonna put it like on cool and dry it. I look like a boiled egg. So I'm gonna take, because I don't, in the video they have like that razor, the razor that people be using for their eyebrows, but I don't have that. Oh, bitch. That shit still is, still not dry. Hold on. Ow! What the fuck? I just snipped the hell out of my skin. Alright, and then we're gonna go on the other side. Y'all. See, this is the thing I dislike about social media, because y'all broads be making it look so easy. So easy. Look at me. Look at me. I'm gonna see if I could kind of like peel it back, but baby, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, it's coming off. I just gotta pull it back some, like, I don't want it to look crazy. Pull it back some, you know? I got a little bit of forehead, like. Ow. Pull it back some. Okay, the top part is nice and secure. Ow. Alright. Now, oh, bitch. That hurt. Alright. So I think I'm gonna stop right here. Ugh, my hands are so sticky. It'll be alright. This is okay. This is okay. Okay. This is alright. So I'm thinking, like, should I spray some of this more? Some more of this and like lay it down? I'm doing it wrong, yeah? I'm thinking, like, because, like, I want the, we want it to lay down, right? Okay, so, oh my god, I think I did it. Because who told me to do that? That just peeled it back, like it made it slide. Who told me to do that? Me over here thinking that I don't know what I'm doing. So the issue with a lot of these wigs is that my head is so teeny tiny that they're so big on me. Like, they're so big. And I literally don't have, like, anything that I could strap this shit on. Like I can't sew, you know, I can't, like, sew it down or anything like that. So I'm going to pull this band, because it got a band in there. I'm going to pull this band to, like, the smallest of the tightest of the tightest. Because I don't want it to, like, be floppy on my head. Somebody teach me. And I think the nails is getting in the way too. is on now. What the hell is going on? Oh, the band is on, but the wig ain't on. Hold on, what in the? I don't know what I'm doing right now. All right, there we go. Cause I don't know what in the world was just happening. All right, the band is on. The wig is on. Now, we're gonna pull this wig down to cut more of the stocking cap because it's too far down. It's like too far down. It's making my forehead look so small. And I don't want it to look wiggy. You know what I'm saying? Like, alright, so I did that. I'm gonna take this dragon clip and put the hair back because it'd be like getting stuck to my forehead and it'd be looking crazy. So I tried that. So my face is like super filled with this spray. Like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's like mad sticky all over. So I'm gonna take a washcloth and I'm going to wet it. I'm gonna use like soap. I'm gonna use soap. So I'm gonna put the band on and I'm gonna mess around, wet this hair up, curl it up and stuff like that. And hopefully by the time I'm done with that and ready and stuff, like, it should be done. You just move it over just a little bit. Got my water bottle. Let me get this thing open. Some water in here. I'm thinking if I should put conditioner. Should I put conditioner? Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of conditioner. I was supposed to wear these wigs on vacation, and honey, I ain't wear it. God, I wore the wig there, and when I felt how hot it was, and the pain that I was feeling right here, baby, I said, yeah, I'm wearing my pixie. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I'm not gonna lie, the hair it sheds a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but it sheds a little bit. But that's okay. The good thing about it is I really don't have to brush my hair all day. Like, with them synthetic wigs, you know you gotta keep you a paddle brush with you in your bag. Shit, fuck a bag on your hip. Okay, in your hand. The hell? You know you gotta keep that in your hand, baby. You cannot go nowhere without that brush or a wide tooth comb. And then now, since that now it's curled out, combed out, I'm going to add some mousse into there. I'm using my Nairobi foam. Show you out of here. That's on there. That's shedded. I don't even know if y'all can see, but like that's the hair that's shedded. So I'm taking off the band, and it's looking good. Ooh. It's looking good. Okay. Clock it. Cause what? What? It looks good. Oh, I'm gonna get all that white stuff off because there's like some white stuff on there. This white stuff off. Go me. Go me. Go me. I like it. Okay. I think I did a good job. It looks really good. Like, it looks really, 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 really good. And I don't like the baby hair, so I'm going to keep it like this. But yeah, comment below any tips, tricks, or anything like that for my next time I do this.